Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia merilis informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina Minggu tanggal 1 Mei. Juru bicara militer Ukraina Majen Igor Konasenkov mengatakan rudal berbasis udara presisi tinggi dari pasukan Dirgantara Rusia mengenai 17 aset militer Ukraina pada Sabtu tanggal 30 April siang hari. Target diantaranya, 8 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan, 5 posisi menembak artileri dan beberapa peluncur roket, dan 2 titik kuat. Juga hancur, 1 pos komando dan 1 depot senjata rudal dan artileri di dekat Pokrovsko, wilayah Dnepropetrovsk. Pada Sabtu siang hari, penerbangan operasional dan taktis Angkatan Udara Rusia telah mencapai 2 pos komando, 9 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan, serta 5 depot amunisi dan bahan bakar. Serangan tersebut telah mengakibatkan eliminasi lebih dari 200 nasionalis dan 23 kendaraan lapis baja, kata Majen Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles of the Russian aerospace forces have hit 17 Ukrainian military assets during the day. Among them, 8 areas of manpower and equipment concentration, 5 artillery and multiple rocket launcher fire-on positions, and 2 strong points. Also destroyed 1 command post and 1 missile and artillery weapons depot near Pokrovskaya Dnepropetrovsk region. During the day, operational and tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces have hit 2 command posts, 9 strong points and areas of manpower and equipment concentration, as well as 5 ammunition and fuel depots. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of over 200 nationalists and 23 armored vehicles. Missile troops and artillery have hit 319 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, 12 command posts, and 2 missile and artillery weapon depots.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.